Sup, YouTube? I saw something crazy in Happy Wheels, and it was this. Look at that, bro. Do you want to see another one? Yo, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. That was crazy. You go. Pretend. Star Wars. Bro, do you see that? That woman's trying to do it though. What the freak is happening? Yo. Bro. Oh my god. Okay, that's just some new stuff. Oh, 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 oh. The girl's about to make it. Get off me, girl. His girlfriend's ugly though. Hmm. Go. Just how I don't die. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Humping. Oh my god. Get off me, shorty. But do you see that arm? Bro. But I'm the girl. Oh, uh, oh, oh my god. Oh. Yo. Yo. Oh my god. This girl's trying to twerk. Her twerk is ugly. I feel like pulling your head off. Stop pulling my butt. Dance. If, bro. Bro. Look at this girl. Oh my god. She did it so hard that her leg came off. If you guys still want me to do that, leave that in the description below. And you'll see more crazy stuff in Happy Wheels. Goodbye. That was crazy. Yo, that was